Alright, so this is Brian Hegney, instructor of Game and Interactive Media Design, and I have this figure animated in this version of this game, and Memory Mountain 05. And if I have your latest one, oops, there you're responding to me. If I have your latest one here, it doesn't have that animation, right? So I just want to show you how nice Unreal Engine is to play with. Let's see, we're all the way up here. Okay. And okay, so these are two different projects. The boy is here and the boy is not in this one. So let's go ahead and get the boy animation, the blueprint animation, or no, not the blueprint, the character blueprint, okay? And remember, this character blueprint is the one that has all of these locations, and all of the programming, this hitbox. I'm going to right-click and say Asset Action, Migrate. It's going to grab, oh, I have to save everything first. Yes, save it, of course. Once it saves it, it's going to show you what it's going to migrate out. Well, it's going to migrate out game animation 02, the little boy anim BP, little boy character BP, running 02, running anim, running skeleton. Good. What about, oh, that's odd that it's not bringing my body. That's really weird. Well, we'll just see what happens to that. I'm going to bring it into MMO6 and go to content. I have a bad feeling it's not going to bring any of the materials, but we'll see. Okay, migration completed successfully. So let's come into Memory Mountain 05. This is 06. It's just not called 06, all right? Now let's go into, oh, there's animation 02. Little boy BP. I'm just curious how it's getting, and here's the event graph that I made. All right. I'm curious where it's getting, oh, that's right. It's not updating its materials. So just for fun, let's go ahead and say, you know what? Not only do we need to bring over that blueprint, let's get that material. And right-click, Asset Action, Migrate. Now it's going to bring the diffuse glossy normal spec body there. And we are going to go to M006 content select folder, and there it is, yay! I wonder if that's going to update the blueprint as well. Now that we have everything, I hope we have everything, let me just double click this blueprint, click on the view, click on this guy. There's no materials, let's just go ahead and say, see, there it is, there we go. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, now that we have this dude, we can just bring him in here. Oh, right, haha. What I didn't do yet is actually move this rock. Now, the one thing I didn't do, and that's okay. Like, for instance, this rock, I just updated the scale of it. It's now 2. It's 2 times as large. 2, 2, 2. So you'd probably want to move that. I think I rotated it as well. That's up to you to do. Like, I'm not going to tell you how to rotate your rock. Something like that, maybe? Now, the only thing I didn't do was, or the only thing you have to change now is actually changing your boy location. It starts at 0, 0, 0, because that's where they all are. So now you just have to say, okay, well, where's, oh, location 1 should be at 0, 0, 0. Location 2 should be here. Let's leave location 3 there and location 4. If we did this, it would just be funny that he runs back and forth. And he's going to run up into the air. That's going to be funny. Let's play this in a new editor window. There he goes, back and forth, back and forth. Oh, you know what else I didn't do? Oh, I know why he's rotating like that. Because he's actually got the rotations from the last one. Okay. Alright, so this is it. That's how you do that animation for the kid. It's up to you if you want to do it. Again, I just set this up. So, and figured it out. This is what I expected, like, Christian or Kobe or Seth to do. And, you know, what took me probably 2 hours? You know, multiply that by 4, 8 hours. That's a good week of something someone could do. And, of course, someone could have asked me. All right. Good luck with this. Again, I don't know if you need this. I'm actually much more worried that I'm not really seeing the same level of detail for the puzzle. So the bear so there's the glasses, very easy. Yeah, bye, dude. Now, hopefully you're listening to some audio or something. And then we get to the bear. I don't see any of Seth's work in here. This is still the same type of easy puzzle. I don't understand why it hasn't advanced. In the next video, I'll talk about the problems you're having here. It's just that white wall. Again, are you using white walls or are you using rock walls? I'm not quite getting it. These puzzles, they still actually look like a bear. So that's one issue. Like, this bear should not look like a bear. What's going to go on here? Where do I go? I know you're talking about the tree collapsing. But once I get down here, now what do I do? I'm not sure. That hasn't been programmed in. Not sure why. There's really no other audio, which is odd. Now this puzzle changes a little bit because those sticks are both in front of me. And is the puzzle about the sticks or is it about the letters? Right now it's both, and it's not quite a shadow puzzle, it's a stick puzzle. A stick puzzle would be, or a shadow puzzle would be more like they were up above somewhere. In fact, it was supposed to be like that at one point. And so that actually doesn't quite look like an A yet. Now, there was an opening at the top here at one point, and I thought that's where those sticks were going to be. I'm not sure, so this is a little bit different than what I imagined. And then, obviously, I don't know what happens. So you have 3 puzzles in here. The first thing you need is that audio that tells the story. And I think you need some more visuals before you need the running animation. But you know, I did that first animation for you. Again, I don't know if you want to use it or not. Okay. I will leave this up to you. Bye!